Since the dawn of flight, mankind has pushed the limits of speed and technology. Today, we count down the 10 fastest aircraft ever built.
At number 10, the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. Capable of reaching Mach 3.3, this spy plane was faster than any missile chasing it. The MiG-25 Foxbat, one of the fastest interceptors in history, reaching speeds over Mach 3 during Cold War missions.
Developed as a secret prototype, the YF-12 could reach Mach 3.2, paving the way for the SR-71.
The Bell X-2, nicknamed Starbuster, reached speeds beyond Mach 3 in the 1950s, pushing the edge of human endurance.
The X-15 holds records even today, with an unbelievable top speed of Mach 6.7, nearly 7 times the speed of sound. NASA's X-43A reached Mach 9.6. That's almost 12,000 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest aircraft ever built.
The Boeing X-51 Waverider continued the hypersonic legacy, proving scramjet engines can work at Mach 5+ speeds.
Built for high-speed interceptions, the MiG-31 can sustain Mach 2.8 while carrying powerful radar systems.
In 1975, an F-15 Eagle set a world record for climbing to 30,000 meters in just 207 seconds.
No manned aircraft has ever beaten the X-15 speed record. Even today, it remains a symbol of human innovation.
From the Cold War to the edge of space, these aircraft redefined what's possible. Which one amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.